My name's Will. I've been repairing RC helicopters for 78 years.
And my name is Pete. I've been wearing a toga for 18 years for religious purposes.
And together, we are RC helicopter repairmen.
Can you fix this?
What do you think, Will?
I don't know, Pete.
It's fucked. Next week on RC Helicopter Repair. Damn it, Will! Why'd you eat my donut?
Should've put your name on it, chump.
He did. He tattooed it on there.
Well, thank you, cloaked stranger.
Thanks for the job.
No problem. You seemed like a fella that needed help, and we gave it to you.